The goshawk. Acute binocular vision. A sharp-hooked beak for ripping into flesh. And large, curved talons for grasping prey. That's standard issue. What makes her exceptional is how she chases down her prey. The fastest acceleration of almost any raptor. Using her tail as an air brake, she turns on a dime. Shortened wings contort to the smallest gap. She needs to hit her target before it reaches cover. Hugging the terrain conceals her approach. And if it doesn't work the first time, goshawks are not just agile, they're patient too. Found in woodlands across the northern hemisphere, the goshawk's success is down to its amazing agility.